Once you've completed and saved your jig, there are multiple ways for you to go about sharing this, both internally and externally with potential customers. To do so inside the Jig workshop, you just need to go to the Details panel and scroll down to the bottom and open up the Share menu. We're going to start off with the basic share links, so I'm going to open that up. Now you can copy and share this link via emails or through your social networks in order to allow you to share these jigs across different platforms. We also have a tool specifically for sharing jigs within your team, so if you have a company tenant, you should have the ability to manage the access of who amongst your team is able to view and edit your jig. Now when I scroll up, you can see that access has been granted. I'm also able to change whether or not they have access to edit this jig. Right now it's just set to me, and I'm also able to remove this access at any given time. Another great way for you to share your jig amongst your entire team is through team sharing. And now every jig user in our company tenant will be able to view this jig in their Team Jigs panel. You can also choose to allow resharing. This can be useful when you want your marketing team to be able to share these jigs outside of the company with potential clients. Another useful way to share your jig is through jig QR codes. You can see we have this scannable image already created. You just need to download this image and paste it into your social media. You can also apply the QR code to promotional materials as well as instruction manuals. And once you have these jigs shared and available in multiple locations, you still have the ability to control whether or not these jig links are active. Now in order to set them to private, you can just go to the lock and turn privacy mode on. This will just mean that any links or QR codes are currently inactive unless a recipient is in our company tenant. And we also have the ability to set them to password protected. This will automatically generate a password. I'm able to add a new password or keep the existing. Now if someone were to open your jig via the links that you shared, they'll need to go and type in the password before they're able to open and view your jig. Finally, you're able to embed your jig into your company website using the downloadable embed code. Once we've uploaded this code, you won't need to download the app in order for your customers or clients to view the jig. You'll simply be able to experience that jig inside your website in a seamless experience.